All right, y'all. What's up, baby? We made it. We made it. We made it. Day 28, baby. You know what I'm saying? We did it. We did it together, too. You know what I'm saying? I ain't do it all by myself. You know what I'm saying? We did it together. You know what I'm saying? Especially the people who joined on with me. Man, thank you again. You know who you are. I'm not going to call your name out. You know what I'm saying? But thank you again for inspiring me. You know, like I said, I started out with day 14. Well, I'm sorry, 14 days. Then you joined on. You know what I'm saying? So I ended up doing 21. Then the other group of people jumped on, and I'm doing 28 days. So here we are today, day 28. Nothing changed. Still got the juice. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing changed. Gotta stay sexy. You know what I'm saying? I feel like a rebel today. Matter of fact, I pulled out the all black on them. You know what I'm saying? Even the black cowboy boots on their ass. You know? Killed them with the all black. You know what I'm saying? Jumped on the scale just now, 209. Like I said, wasn't even looking at the scale. The scale wasn't even an issue. You know what I'm saying? I mean, not an issue, but it wasn't a priority. You know what I mean? Um, But I'm good. I'm not as hard. I'm thinking about shit, taking myself down to 200 just for a new challenge. You know what I mean? As long as it's a healthy challenge, it doesn't matter to me. Hold on one second. Let me open this juice up. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can stay right there while I'm opening it. Yeah. See that sun shining on me? I'm sorry, that ain't the sun shining. That is me. You know what I'm saying? Shining and shit. You know what I mean? Hold on. Mmm. Tastes like a jar of sunshine. You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Well, I went and bought some other stuff last night from Farmer's Market. So I told you, even though today's day 28, the only thing that's stopping for me is only juice. You know what I'm saying? Like, no, not consuming any solid foods. That changes. But the only thing I'm going to consume are my egg whites for my protein, fish. You know, I'm not even going to do the chicken. You know what I'm saying? If I do chicken, it might be one day a week. But right now, I'm just looking at fish, egg whites, and I'm going to juice two of these jars daily. You know what I'm saying? So that's going to be good. Um, I'm gonna keep it mostly green at the same time, just to keep my vegetables in. And we're just gonna go from there, man. Like I said, I'm just let my body do what it wants to do. You know, went out a couple of times. My wife, she ate, she drank. They made my drink for me at the bar. I had to refuse it. Damn. But you know what? That's funny. I didn't even want the alcohol. And that's crazy. Hold on. That comes from a person that was drinking like every day. Not like hard liquor. You know, I might go hang out, get something to eat, get a margarita with my food, stuff like that. Or come home, have a seltzer. You know what I'm saying? Hold on one second. Bartender was like, "What? Man, I'm going to still tip you. Sit your ass down, bring me a water." You know what I'm saying? Lemon water at that punk. But anyway, everything's good, man. Feeling good. Like I said, looking good. In my eyes, it's time to build it back up. So I'm always going to look for a reason to improve it because I know what I like to see in the mirror. But I feel good. You know, I feel great, actually. I mean, I'll be lying if I say I feel good. I feel great. Hold on. Skin's good. No, yeah, yeah. There go that sun again. Nope, that's me. But anyway, all right, y'all. I'm about to get up out of here. I have a little run around to do. It's a Sunday. You know, we gotta make this thing happen. Thank you again, Sam, for joining in on the journey. It's the juice journey. Now you can join in on the build-up journey because it's about to happen. It's going down tomorrow. And I said it first, but tomorrow, shit, it's going down today. Today I'm gonna, I'll show y'all the workout room downstairs in the basement. Um, I'll be doing my cardio. I'll probably be jumping on the bike every day. So I'll go from there. Also got a sauna. So I'll be in the basement after jump off the bike, probably jump in the sauna for like 20 minutes. Um, like I said, let's just go have fun with this. So don't think too much into it. Start making it a chore and not liking what you're doing. I'm loving this. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all be safe, man. Enjoy your day. And I'll see y'all tomorrow.